Starting from 550 in all articles, you get proper lining in every product. In daman pant also you get proper work, my friend. In daman you also get coding, in pant also get coding, in neck you also get coding with sleeves proper. You can see the work with contrast dupatta. Range of this article little bit all over kurti, or you can see organza with different fabric attached in neck, my friends, with coding work in sleeves also, Roman silk fabric with double lining, and here is very beautiful, very good quality dupatta with fancy dupatta length with 999 rupees, all over India delivery. Look, here is the, you can see the fancy dupatta, my friends, in every product, and here is the whole dupatta of this piece. Very beautiful article, my friends. Hello friends, myself Pratik from Surat Ladli Creation, and today I am here to show you the most trending varieties of 3-piece concept, my friends. As per party wear season, as per those customer who want some boutique variety, unique article with pocket friendly range, my friends. So for that customer I will provide you the article today in this video. Watch video till end. From 550 to 699, 750, 850 till the last range I will show you in this video. You can sell up that variety above than 1000 rupees to 200 till 2000 rupees, my friends. So first variety I will start from 550 rupees. I will show you many concept in single range, my friends. You can see pure modal silk fabric with digital print, and all over kurti you will get foil print with handwork, real mirror work in 550 rupees, my friends. From your open eyes you never see this types of range with fabric with proper lining, my friends. And here is the dupatta with, you can see the printed dupatta with total all over dupatta. You will get the work, zari work all over dupatta. You get in 550 rupees this article. You will get, take a screenshot for order, all over India COD facility available. And those customers who are thinking that if we order we get product or don't get, my friends, we are a manufacturer. You can watch our video daily basis. If you are watching first time, then don't buy, my friends. You just see our video, our YouTube channel. Regularly we are updating articles, day by day we are uploading. Right now the sales offer for the party wear season, so you can watch for 1 week, 2 week. After, if you have a trust 100%, then you order, my friends. Otherwise you will do video call facility available, and you can directly order by screenshot also, my friends. Now look, next variety, total Vatican fabric, new fabric launch, proper coding work you will get in the neck, only 550 rupees range with organza dupatta. In 550 organza dupatta, my friends, all over dupatta. You can see printed dupatta all over with tassels, all over 4 side tassels you will get in dupatta, my friends. 4 side tassels with Vatican pant, and color fabric guarantee, print guarantee. After 2 year, 3 year, fabric remains the same, my friends. If customer will buy from your shop, 0% complaints of this article in 550 rupees. Then you just think about what I provide you in 950 range, what I provide you in 750 range, my friends. If I providing you only 50 rupees, that much best articles. Now you can watch this article, my friends. Look, first I will show you by range. This was in 599 rupees. You will get this article in 599 rupees. All over simple work, little bit heavy work in between with hand work also, with Roman silk fabric in all articles. Starting from 550 in all articles you get proper lining in every product. In daman pant also you get proper work, my friends. And here is the color chart with organza dupatta, contrast dupatta in these articles you will get, my friends. And the main most thing, 100% guarantee of my in every article. Right now we are uploading a sales video. If you want sales article, new article, unique than market, then you purchase from Ladli Creation, my friends. Now you can see the handwork concept in only 650 rupees. Real bits handwork you will get in only 650 rupees from Ladli Creation manufacturing company, my friends. We manufacturing those all varieties. We are not a trader, not a wholesaler, not a provide you some single pieces, my friends. We provide only in bulk quantities. If you want to deal with us, you have to be a shopkeeper, my friends. If you have a retail shop, boutiques, then you can only purchase from Ladli Creation. In 699 rupees you will get this types of fancy article. Right now this provide you in 650 rupees. You just take a screenshot. 3 sizes available, M2 double XL, 4 sizes mostly provide, but in some article you will also get L to double XL, my friends. Now see the range of this article in only, my friends. First you can see the work all over kurti, or you can see organza with different fabric attached in neck, my friends, with coding work in sleeves, also Roman silk fabric with double lining, and here is very beautiful, very good quality dupatta with fancy dupatta length you will get in this one with proper digital print, my friends. Look, many customers tell me, brother, we purchase from market but we don't get good stuff, quality product. If we order, many customers complain me that, brother, we order 50,000 order, lakh rupees order, but they provide me different stuff, don't give me perfect designs what we order. But in Ladli Creation you will don't get any kind of this problem, my friends. You just do video call, select your product, and we will pack your product in video call, my friends. And the main thing, if any customer join with me today, that means I will give you the exchange policy also. Whenever if you can't sell any article, you can exchange set by set. That means, my friends, if you starting a new business with me, that's not your business, my friends, that's my business. I take proper 100% responsibility of your business. I promise you every customer that I will give you my best variety in the best manufacturing range, my friends. Now look, in every product set to set you have to buy only one policy, my friends. Only one condition I give you, you have to buy set to set, single pieces not providable. And here is the next variety, very beautiful color, all our kurti. First you can see the border proper with organza lace, and in all our bits work with embroidery work, all our sequence in hands also organza, totally Pakistani look, very simple work in sober work in the neck, plain. Here is the pant of this article, and organza dupatta in only 699 rupees I will provide you this article. No one can market. If you just watching first time my video, I 100% guarantee you, tell you that you watch 15 video, thousands of video, 2000s of video in compared to me, no one can provide you range and article in same video. But I will provide you every video with proper rates. We mention our video proper rates, so customer can easily purchase by only video, my friends. Look, here is the only single little variety, but you can see the all our work with Roman silk, all our thread work little bit. And here is the range of this article is only, my friends, 720 rupees you will get with organza heavy dupatta, my friends, with heavy suit with heavy dupatta. This is for those customers who want little bit sober, not the fancy one. This is little bit sober work, and here is the simple sober pant, and fabric is very heavy, my friends. Those customers who want something premium quality fabric, premium stuff, they can buy this variety and easily sell with guarantee. In our product you can take guarantee of quality, my friends. In market you can't easily take a guarantee, and right now I guarantee you, my friends, no one can in market provide you the range what I provide you. Look at the fabric prints with proper astar, with interlock in every product, with V-neck concept. Many customer demand V-neck, many customer demand U-neck, so both of demand complete today, my friends. Here is the dupatta, and the range of this article is 750 rupees. Directly you can purchase from Ladli Creation, and regularly you will get this variety. You don't get this variety like only for first time, you will get regular these updates, my friends. Here is the U-neck. Look, here is the neck with organza extra fabric attached in neck with proper sequence work. You can see the finishing of this article 100%. Look, here is the dupatta with same organza fabric with digital print, my friends, and all over dupatta you get proper printed article with floral concept. And in this video I will showing you only 20% variety, my friends, of Ladli Creation. 20% variety I will show you in this video. But if you visit here, if you are coming to Surat, if you come to Surat, then you get proper 100% knowledge. But you just have to aware about one thing, my friends. If you are coming to Surat, then you just aware from the brokers, those brokers who get you at a station and they will tell you that we provide you the best manufacturing company, come with me, I will get you the best shop. They are not your brothers, my friends, they are not your good wishers. So you just have to remember one thing, no one can give you the quality or the support, you have to be your own support. So you have to directly visit anywhere wherever you go, my friends. Now look Banarsi, you see the dupatta border with the tassels and all our digital print organza fabric, and with different collar V-neck, my friends. In this you get with proper collar V-neck article, my friends. Now I will provide you the next article with simmer fabric, very good article. Look, totally In daman you also get coding, in pant also get coding, in neck you also get coding with sleeves proper, you can see the work with contrast dupatta. Range of this article little bit heavier my friends, because the quality heavy and something unique to the compared to the market my friends. Totally boutique varieties I will provide you in this video at the range of this 799 rupees my friends. Now look, only 3 pieces sets. If you go to up range above than 650 to 700, you will get 3 pieces set mostly my friends. Now look, next variety in only my look. First of all, look at the piece with this is the sleeves, and all over you can see the fabric is very heavy with rayon pants, and here is the total dupatta of this variety. And the range of this article only 650 rupees you will get this article my friends, only 650 you will get this product from Ladli Creation, Surat my friends. Look, this is the variety. And the main thing, all our India COD facility I have provided you before. In video I also tell you that we provide COD facility. Now look, next variety with something different, yellow special, many customer demands of yellow, chicken curry work all over suit with brush print in everywhere, with handwork, with you can see with the design you will get proper handwork. And here is the sleeves with proper print, and here is the dupatta, and the fabric is pure mull cotton my friends. Mull cotton, some customer want everybody provide you a fancy variety, party wear variety in different of fabrics, but no one can provide you in cotton heavy range. But in Ladli Creation you will get the in cotton heavy range my friends. This is the heaviest range what I have right now. I will providing in 899 rupees. You will get this variety, and easily up to 2000 rupees you can sell this variety. Now look, in only 699 rupees you will get this variety, only 699 rupees, all over India delivery. Look, here is the you can see the fancy dupatta my friends in every product, and here is the whole dupatta of this piece. Very beautiful article my friends, only 699 rupees range. You just have to do one thing. If you want to join with Ladli Creation, in this video I before also tell you that things, in right now I also tell you that things, but in single video is not possible to provide you all article in every range. But right now I am only providing you the 20% range. If you want to know about more things, just visit Surat Ladli Creation, otherwise the numbers are given below. And if where are you from watching, main concept is that right now I am providing you the video, the range, but I don't know that from where my customer watching right now. So please comment that if you like the variety, from where are you watching this video my friends, because your single comment can help me to reach to your place and provide you that varieties. Look, here is the neck. This will also come with 699 750 range my friends. Here is the same concept as before. I will show in these videos. And the last piece of this video is the best piece in this video my friends. Look at the piece. First of all our piece, limited designs, limited pieces I will provide you, and the very beautiful article, best piece of this video my friends, I will provide you in the last. Look, and the range of this video I also tell you at the last my friends. For knowing this range you have to watch this video till end my friends. Here is the pant with front you can see, and a back stretchable pant my friends, and the Lehariya dupatta, and the range of this article is 950 rupees. Look, proper Lehariya dupatta with something unique my friends. Every time in Ladli Creation you will get something unique article. If you want to do business with monopoly, then you have to join Ladli Creation. So that's all for today. We will meet in next video with next variety. Thank you.